Real quick, y'all, I'm doing a giveaway of everything you see here. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and comment your favorite part of this video. Let's get into it.
What's up, guys? Firebird Austin here. I am at a river in North Georgia after Coosa red-eye bass. There's a lot of trout that they stock in this river, so I doubt we'll get a whole lot today. Might end up catching trout because they bite on similar lures, but really trying to target red-eye Coosa bass. So we'll see if we can get it done. I'm gonna walk a little bit downstream. Grizz is meeting up with me soon, so we'll see you at the spot. All right, let's get down in this water. It's not that bad. You and I have done worse. I will say, yeah, it's pretty chilly. That was a huge red eye. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I missed it. That may have been a trout right there. Oh my gosh. Ah! I got him, Grizz.
How did you manage to do that?
I don't know.
Well, I don't understand what happened.
Oh. I hooked him over there, brought him up to the rocks, and he came off on the rocks and landed in that little crack. Bro, there's a big one sitting in here.
Oh,
Bigger than this guy. Rainbow.
oh, nice.
This isn't a bad one either.
Wild or stock?
Oh, stock. They're all technically stock. All right, I'm gonna let you go, bro. See you later, dude. You said you'd teach me. My yoke is easy, my burden's light. So I come and what seems big to me is easy for you. Grizz just caught a Bama bass. Let's go. In their native waters.
Fish is cool.
All right. All right. Your Grizz got another bass. What? What the heck? We've been fishing around for...
Look at this. Look how
Dude,
fat he is.
that dude's like close to 2 pounds.
Yeah, and the great news.
What were you throwing? Ned rig?
Yeah, my net on that little right craw.
What?
Dude, he thumped it and I was like, ah! I thought it was a rock at first.
Dang, dude, I got cast in over there with the Ned.
Yeah. Hold on, let me put him back first. We just need to get a couple pictures.
No, then he's gonna tell all of his friends. I'm just kidding. That would be terrible. Yeah, put him back up there. Oh, I had one. He came off. Dang, dude. There's one. There's one. Chris! Chris! I'm on! Oh! Oh, he's huge! He's huge! He's even bigger. Hey, put yours in my bucket. We'll get a double up picture. Yeah! No, go back over there. I'll come to you. Dude, I saw like 3 more swimming around when he... Here. Yeah, that's fine. Dude, I saw like 3 more swimming around.
Dude, that's even bigger.
While I was fighting this one, there were 3 more swimming around him.
Dude, that's even bigger. How are they getting studs like this out here?
I don't know, but this is my...
Dude, you're a tank, bro.
Oh!
Look at you.
Ah! Fish number 4 for the slam.
Oh, yeah, it's fat.
All right, bro. Cheers. Clink.
Here, put them in.
Woo. I can see mine down. Oh, mine swam right into the current.
Oh, no.
She was fine.
No, I know, but it's gone.
So, guys, this makes 4 out of 5 for the 2024 Georgia Bass Slam. Now, we also have Coosa bass out here in this river. So I'm hoping to get an 8-inch Coosa bass or bigger to complete 5 out of 10 for the Georgia Bass Slam. You need a minimum of 5 to achieve a slam, get your certificate, stickers, all that good stuff. But as y'all know, I'm going for all 10 this year. But right now, I'm trying to get 5. It's very doable today. We just got to get a Coosa bass. So let's get it. It starts with a ch and ends with a Easberger. You don't. No, you don't.
Camera.
I'm already recording. That was very next cast.
Oh my God.
That's insane. I have a line in the water right now too. Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, is this a good? Oh, good.
Chris, we found the money. This spot's goated.
Double it up again.
Yeah. Not quite as big as my last one, but still a good size. Maybe about 15 inches. See you, dude. It's all right. What?
Shut up! Oh,
bro, that one's like 16. Nah, maybe 15. It's just super fat. It's obnoxiously fat, like absurdly fat.
we're catching studs. These are studs.
Wanna know something crazy? I was averaging better than this on the flint the other day.
This spot is actually, look at the pattern on it.
Yeah.
This is one of the most beautiful spots I've ever had.
Chris just caught a trout. Little man just caught a trout. I'd leave the hook on until you give me your phone so I can take a picture as soon as you unhook him. Is he gonna squirm out? You want a
Real quick.
video?
He's gonna leave.
A video?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Everyone's slowly getting further into the water and further away.
Oh yeah, he's got it now.
Thanks for that.
Nice. Might want to get your reel out of the water.
Yeah. Baby bird meat.
Lean back, further back. I can go without doing that again.
On that note, I'm out.
Thank you. Just kidding. Don't leave me.
So for that reason, I'm out.
All right, man. Be safe. See you next time. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, spotted bass. Alabama bass. Come here, little buddy. Little buckeye. Come here. Yeah. Little spotted bass. Little over a pound. Cool, man. I was just trying to cast back for that trout again. So we're getting a bunch of these guys today. I'm gonna go ahead and get some pictures of this guy for the Bass Slam, because I forgot to take pictures with my phone earlier. Hey! Me and Grizz are doubled up! Let's get Mr. Spot back into water. Water. See you later, buddy. Get out of here. Alright, I'm gonna try and cast over there. It looks like some current, but slower moving current. Hoping there's gonna be a red eye in there. Oh my gosh, I just saw a red eye come out after it and smack it and then go back. They're back up under that tree, man. I know those are Coosa bass too. They're tiny though, they won't count for the slam. There's gotta be a good one in there somewhere. I've had two follow. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, it's a trout. No. Not a bad trout. There you go, buddy. Whew. All right, she swam off all right. Swam off just fine. Oh, what is that? It's a Coosa. It's a Coosa. Oh my gosh. It's Coosa. Coosa. I knew they were back there. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it's 8 inches. I don't know if that's going to be big enough. But it's a Coosa. Oh, I need to get to my bucket. Oh my gosh. Okay. I need to go get to my bucket. Hooked myself in the finger, but we're all good. I got it out already. Okay, got him in the bucket. I gotta get the bucket all the way over there, back to my gear. And I gotta find a measuring tape, because I don't know how long this dude is. So we're gonna find out. All right, y'all. Here's a beautiful Coosa bass I got. I don't know if it's gonna be 8 inches, but honestly, I won't know till I get home, because I'm gonna have to take a picture up against my rod. And I just don't know how that's gonna go over. All right. I put them back in the bucket for now. And let's see if we can get another. Then we'll have 2 in the bucket. You okay? All right, he's good. She's good. Whatever it is. Coosa bass is hard to tell. So they don't get that big anyway. But I'm guessing there's more back there. I was like, man, if there's any back here, or if there's any in this creek, it's got to be right back here. Oh, I had them biting some little guys. Oh my gosh, I just got another little Coosa bass. This one's tiny. We managed to get, okay, he's very delicately hooked. Okay, I'm gonna get my pliers for this guy because he's not actually hooked. It's like right in his gills, but it's not punctured his gills. All right, I got two Coosa bass in the bucket. All right, these guys don't seem to be too happy in here, and I think this is gonna be the biggest Coosa from this spot, so I'm gonna let them go. All right, look at these guys. It's awesome, man. 2 Coosa bass. Let's go. How beautiful. All right, babies. There you go. There you go. There you go. Awesome. They're off. There's the little one right there. See you, dude. See you, dude. Bye-bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see any other videos, me catching some Coosa bass, click here, or right down here. Thank you guys again. I'll see you next time on the next episode of the Bass Slam.